Now, I have to apologize for everybody. It's been a great deal of time since I have put this video out. I had some lost footage that I couldn't recover, and I never gave you guys a follow-up. So thanks to my friend Shelby Thompson at Shelby's Comics for reminding me. So here we go. So in review, we had a conserved, or I should say amateur conserved Smash Comics from CBCS. The spine was glued. We went through the process of soaking the wraps and removing the PVA glue, which left us quite a bit of damage to the wraps. We then examined everything and started the process of leaf casting. Leaf casting through the center section worked out very well. As you can see here, the holes that needed to be filled, and we were successful in filling everything in and joining the wraps. Now, the process was a little bit interesting, as this was my very first leaf casting project. The results, I feel, are phenomenal. We did it on a vacuum table that I created at home, and I'm very pleased with the way the wraps came out. We then moved on to the cover wrap. Now, this was a nice thick golden age cover, but we had a gap of about 10 millimeters that actually needed to be filled for this to fit properly. So everything was cleaned, measured, and then a pulp was created that was strong enough and had a similar color and texture. I was very pleased with the way the wrap came out. So, in review, this is what we started with, a conserved CBCS book, and then we recovered with a 4.0 conserved grade from CGC. I'm very pleased with the results, and I hope you are too. Thanks for watching the video. If you're interested in conserving comic books, please join our Facebook group where all of the experts are gathered in one spot and we answer every one of your questions. Please come join us. Look for us at the Comic Conservation Community on Facebook. Please join myself, Dr. Paul from Liberty Hill Comics, and Phantom Phil from Phantom Restorations. We are comic conservators from coast to coast, and we handle all of your questions, and we have really cool discussions on comic conservation and how we do things and what we can do to help you improve your collection.